Hello, beautiful souls. I am Sarah Ariana, and in this video, we're talking about cosmic up-leveling. What does that mean? What's the energy we are in? Thank you so much for being here. Let's dive right on in. Cosmic up-leveling. This is the energy that we are in. For many of us, 2024 has been quite a ride. It has been upheaval. It has been transformation. And this began for many of us in March of 2024 with the eclipse season beginning. And we continue to flow through this wave of upheaval, of transformation, of flowing into our authenticity. And this continued in the Lion's Gate from July the 26th to August the 12th. The peak was 888 this year. And through this up-leveling and this transformation on so many layers, on so many levels, we then flowed into the eclipse season once again. September the 17th was the lunar eclipse, and October the 2nd is the solar eclipse. And what's interesting is in this energy that we are in now, for many of you that have gone through transformation or in an energy of depression, in an energy of not knowing what's going on, in an energy of, it could be a muddy energy. There's layers within this. If you find that you're in this energy, there will be clarity coming in with the solar eclipse. And also within this energy, which is incredible, is the cosmic. Now let's talk about the cosmic up-leveling. Now the cosmic up-leveling, again, is in many different layers. It is the release of the 3D, 4D, 5D, and it is into a cosmic awareness. It is a universal awareness of releasing attachments. It's releasing labels. And with this, there is an emotional upgrade. It is a cosmic leveling up that is occurring on so many levels. And for some of the Lightworker community, you will go through depression. You will go through really dark nights of the soul. And it can be a dark night of the soul. It can be a dark week of the soul. It can be even a few months of darkness. However, of unknowingness. However, in that energy, there is transformation. And the channeling from the Divine Light Collective is, do not give up. We continue with a theme of surrender, let go, trust. Trust the divine plan, for there is one. And it is within this cosmic up-leveling that we are in right now, of releasing labels, attachments, and trusting the divine plan that synchronicities do flow in. And within this, there's also a cosmic up-leveling in our vessel. So you may find that you are more tired. You may find that you need to take more rest and time away from the computer, time away from the cell phones, and moving more into time within solitude, silence. And we continue to be in this energy of this cosmic up-leveling. You may also find that your body experiences hot flashes, a heating up. It is almost a burning up that can occur. You may also experience the Ascension flu. And with the Ascension flu, this is an up-leveling. And it is surrendering in this, for when sickness comes in, it is burning up old beliefs. You are releasing the old for the new to come in. So it is taking the rest, making yourself fresh ginger tea. It is having soups. It is listening to your vessel on what it needs. And you may also discover within this cosmic upleveling that your body needs to move. And what does this look like? This can be more intentional yoga. It is intentional breath work, increasing our breath work, moments throughout our day where you are focusing on conscious breathing without distraction. This also may mean that you are wanting to dance more, or walk in the morning, walk in the afternoon, walk in the evening. You may be inclined to swim more, go in the ocean, go in the lakes, go in the rivers, go in pools, whichever that looks like. You may be drawn to water more now than ever before. For water is the link in this cosmic upleveling as well. Water we know is sacred. Water we know is alive. Water we know is a communicator on this planet. And water has the knowledge from the beginning. It is a cosmic intelligence, water. And so you may find in this cosmic upleveling that you are drawn more to water, that you want to be drinking more water. You are aware of the sacredness of water. And it is taking the time to be, for there are so many layers that we are being up-leveled on. And within this incredible time that we are in, for yes, it is challenging. Yes, it can be hard. However, this is also the juiciness of it all, as when we up level to this degree, when we bring in this cosmic awareness of our multidimensional selves. It is this cosmic love that is coming in. It's a heart awakening. And this is beyond the 3D, 4D, and 5D. This is beyond. And this is also why it is so important to rest, to take the time for you, because it is multiple layers that these cosmic frequencies are coming in. And now that we know this, we can give permission to ourselves. We need to take the time to step away, to work on our breath work, to flow with our bodies, to be in gratitude, joy, curiosity. And as we are in these energies, greater awareness comes in of our beingness, of our galactic selves, of our angelic selves, of our elemental selves, of the dragons, of the unicorns, of all of these beings that are here helping us, and how we are all working together as one. And you may also have other sensations that are coming. You may have ear ringing. You may have, there's discomfort within the vessel. You may have jaw pain or aches and pains throughout the vessel. You may notice that your food intake changes. You may notice that you are drinking more water and blessing the water. You're talking to the water, communicating to the water before you drink it. There is greater awareness on so many levels that are coming in. And as we do this together, there is a shift in humanity as well. There is a shift on this planet for these cosmic energies that are coming in. This cosmic upleveling that we are going through is preparing us for the shifts that are coming. And this is part of this process. It is part of the process that we need to rest, part of the process that we need to move in our vessels. And we listen to the pull that our heart, our energy, and our antenna is communicating to us. And that's why it's so important to go within right now. It's so important to do this conscious breath work. And right now, the DLC is here and asking for us to move through a conscious breath work. So I invite you to get in a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, closing the eyes when you're ready. And we're going to take a few conscious breaths together. And the intention for this conscious breath work is unity, is love, and it is knowing that we are right where we are meant to be on our divine path. So closing the eyes here, and I recommend placing both of your hands over the heart. Breathing in through the nose if it's available to you. Deeply into the belly, feeling the belly rise like a balloon. You're going to pause for a moment. And then gentle sigh out through the mouth, letting it go. Breathing in through the nose, loving kindness. Into the belly, feeling the belly rise like a balloon. You're going to pause and then gently exhale out through the mouth, letting it go. And third breath in, breathing in through the nose. This is slow, this is mindful. This is carrying intention into your body. This wonderful vessel that you have. And as you breathe in and gently sighing it out, and the next breath is now breathing in through the nose, pausing and slow exhale out through the nose. And it may sound like an ocean wave. You're breathing in, pausing, and breathing out like an ocean wave. You're breathing in, and you're breathing out. And continuing with this ocean wave breath work. It's slow, it's mindful, it's intentional of slowing everything down, flowing within, and breathing in loving kindness, breathing out loving kindness. And we have so much support around us as we flow into this cosmic upleveling, this energy that we are currently in. And we know also that it's the year of the dragon. And I'm very excited to announce on September the 29th at 2 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, myself, Emma from Being Magic, and Ananda Rose, we are doing our second live dragon event. This is called Dragon Awakening. To register, the link is below. The intention of this Dragon Awakening event is to connect us to our dragons, to awaken us to the dragons, deepening our connection and our path with the dragons. It's very, very exciting to be in collaboration with Emma and Ananda. And you will know if you feel the pull to connect with us in this way on September the 29th. And for additional support, the next full moon quantum transmission is on October the 17th. To register, the link is below. And all those that register will receive the replay. So this incredible time that we are in this cosmic upleveling, be kind with oneself. And as much as you can, flow into each and every day with finding what brings you joy and excitement and flowing into that. Listening to the heart pulse. And this may be that you're walking and you feel this heart pull to go in this direction and something magical occurs in your walk. It may be that you feel this pull to go towards this one area of town and something magical occurs. It may feel these pulls, you may feel these pulls they're very soft and gentle. However, the more that we tune into them, the more that they occur more and more often. And we are moving into these synchronistic events now. They're aligning with us. We are in alignment with the earth. We're in alignment with all the elements, the elementals. And as this flows, our mission, our path, our divine authenticity expands more and more and more. I thank you all so much for being here. And I leave this message with a beautiful video that I took the other day. And this is of the fog rolling in with the sun, and the water is here, and it's the energy of the beauty of this fog, of the light, all of it. May the energy flow into your being, into your heart, and this knowing that we are right where we are meant to be. You're doing a magnificent job. Blessings of love and light to all. Namaste.